Let's walk through the template. The first thing you'll notice is we are utilizing multiple pages to create a multi-step form. This is a pattern we've uncovered after running hundreds of form experiments for our B2B lead gen and SaaS customers. The reason multi-step forms work is due to a principle called foot in the door. We're leading off with the simple to answer questions. In this case, team size, email, first name, last name. No one is going to hesitate before providing this information, but it highly increases the likelihood of a user providing the more difficult information, in this case, phone number. In general, use multi-step forms. It creates less friction for the user. Now let's walk through some of the advanced functionality of the form. In this case, we have three different outcomes that we route our users to based off the selection of team size. We can view some of that logic first in the first step page settings, where we see if a user selects just me, they're immediately redirected to the low tier outcome and bypassing the additional form fields. For users with larger team sizes, after they've gone through the remaining form questions, we then redirect them to the appropriate outcome based off their selections on question 1. In this case, mid-tier is for the mid-size teams, and high tier is for 10 plus. Keep in mind these are arbitrary definitions that we've created for the purpose of this template, and please repurpose them to fit your needs. For example, rather than sending the low tier users to a reform outcome, you can redirect them immediately to a self-serve URL or other outcome hosted on your website. And if we do a quick demo of this experience, we'll see that a just me team size is immediately redirected to the self-serve outcome, where the other sizes are redirected appropriately.